Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the psychedelic distortion effect. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. It's going to look like this. And then we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, scroll down to Nightclub, and then we're going to scroll to find the psychedelic distortion effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. We're going to bring it up to the beginning of the clip and then also elongate it to the end of the clip. And also with it being highlighted, we're going to go up to the special effects tab and mess with the color, the twist, lateral chromatic aberration, strength, and speed. You guys will be able to play around with these filters as you'd like. And you can also add keyframes. We have a video on that as well. So let's check it out. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, guys, thanks for watching and have a great day.